solve a matrix times z equals negative 120. So this is basically a problem in this format here. If my job is to take a matrix times x, and that's equal a matrix, the way you solve this is you use a little rule where you take the inverse of the a to both sides, right? And then you multiply the to b in that order. All right, so what I need to do is, if I were to label you A, what I need to do is I need to find the inverse of A, and then in this order, multiply that to B. So the inverse of A is going to equal 1 over the determinant. So if I were to call you little a, little b, little c, little d, that would be 1 over AD minus BC times the matrix, flip-flop the A and the D, and then make the negative C and negative B, but not in that order. Do all that. So the inverse of A is going to be me doing, I'll just put another matrix there, that would be wacky. That would be doing 1 over 2 times 5 minus negative 3 times negative 5, like so, times the matrix, 5 and 2 flip-flop, crisscross. You become positive, you become negative, positive, just joking, positive again. All right, so let's figure this out. 1 over 10 minus 15. Ugh, that's not going to be fun. 5, 3, 5, 2. Okay, so that would be 1 over negative 5, so negative 1/5, scalar multiplication. The 5 is fine, the 3 is not fine, the 5 is fine, the 2 is not fine. So multiplying everything by negative 1/5 is going to give me the matrix negative 1, negative 3/5, negative 1 again, negative 2/5. All right, so that's A inverse now. So if we're going to use this format right here, and I'm solving for, in this case, z, not x, but you get the idea. Z is going to equal the A inverse, so this matrix right here, negative 1, negative 3/5, negative 1, negative 2/5, times the matrix negative 120. Now what we're doing is we are multiplying a 2 by 2 to a, oh no way. Oh, no, this will work. I thought it wouldn't work. To a 2 by 1. So we're allowed to do this, and we're going to get a 2 by 1, in response. So 2 by 1, I can handle that. Split you up by a row. You're already split up by the one column that you are. First element times the first element is going to be negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1. Second element times the second element is going to be negative 3/5 times 20, so negative 12. So plus negative 12. Okay, plus negative 12. This guy, let's use a different color, is going to be negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1 again. Negative 2/5 times negative 20 is going to be plus negative 8. So finalizing this matrix and getting my answer is going to be 1 minus 12, which is negative 11, and 1 minus 8, which is negative 7. So that matrix times negative 11, negative 7 would give me that matrix. Isn't that neat? It is neat. Tons of fun.